To reset display mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, back to default, swipe down the top of the screen, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, and then tap vision enhancement. Under display mode section, select default thumbnail. As note, when you select this display mode, your phone will turn off all features that have been enabled while you are selecting high contrast or large display mode. In other words, your phone will turn off dark mode, high contrast font, high contrast keyboard, reduce animation, and reduce transparency and blur. Also, your phone will use the default font size and screen zoom, turn off bold font and highlight button. To reset the display mode back to default, tap apply. Now your phone has been reset to the default display mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.